If you walk there, behind the window, you can stand
and see
and look at the drive.
It's amazing.
You want I take it?
No, it's a video.
Ah, it's video. Okay.
This train travels at a speed of over 300 kilometers an hour. This first part is 23 minutes, this first leg, and we will travel 80 kilometers in 23 minutes according to our friend we just met. Here we go.
Here we go.
This is non-stop from Nuremberg to Munich.
Reminds me of Korea. Reminds me of the bullet train in Korea. It's also something like this. This is faster?
Yeah.
No, not yet. Just let you go 10 miles and then speed rises up.
Okay. Now it's getting faster, really. You can, yeah, you can feel it.
At the end of the town and then like this.
You can see my reflection on the window.
So many people go to Munich every day for working.
For work? From Nuremberg?
Wow, that's a long way. It must be expensive.
It's just 1 hour.
Yeah, but distance. Actual, not time, but distance, you know?
Because I go there so often, I have a one-year ticket. 100%.
How much does that cost?
For whole Germany.
Oh my
Go
god.
as much as you want?
Yes.
Wow.
That's very comfortable.
Yeah.
Because
For 1 year?
I have to queue up for tickets or something. Just step in and go.
It's been snowing here.
How long does it take to get to Berlin?
4.5 hours.
On the train, on the ice?
Not bad.
We went there 2 weeks ago, but we took the flu.
Ah, yes. How long you stay here? Germany?
Well, we just moved here. We actually live here now.
Two?
We live.
Oh, you live here? In this?
And you know where Vilsek is?
Ah, Vilsek, yes.
I'm in the U.S. Army.
Ah,
And we live in Vilsek.
I know Vilsek
We
because
moved in October.
there was a bad train crash in Vilsek 10 years ago.
Oh!
Train into US truck.
US truck?
The level crossing.
You can see the monitor right there. You can see that it's at 200, I cannot, 249 kilometers per hour. That's pretty fast. So we are in Munich and we're walking in the snow.
This is central Munich, right smack dab in the middle. We just left the train station.
Yep.
And we're walking through a park.
Look what you can see around. It's all white. And yeah, I feel like we're in the movie The Chronicles of Narnia. For some reason. Look at these pine trees.
And for those of you that didn't know, Munich is the third largest city in Germany. Actually, no, that's wrong. Fourth largest.
Fourth largest?
Hamburg and Frankfurt are larger.
Berlin, of course, is larger.
And of course, Berlin is the largest.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, we're
This is Marienplatz in the middle of München, and you hear the St. Peter's Cathedral bells in the background. This city is awesome. I've been here 15 minutes and I'm super impressed.
We love it better than Berlin.
It's cleaner than Berlin and there's more to see. And I don't know, it just has a more unique flair.
It's very charming.
Very charming. So,
Yes.
We're gonna go inside and warm up for a minute, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Jumping around in that place.
Where?
You have to take a video of that. That is hilarious.
Where is it? Oh. Okay, we're going to take a video of the dog that Anthony saw. It's jumping around in the snow. Oh my goodness! How cute! Hello!
See, as you can see, dogs rule here in Germany.
Yes,
Germans love dogs.
They own
everywhere.
They own the city. They own the country.
And this dog is just having fun.
They're showing off. Look at that dog. Look at the other one. Oh my gosh.
And this is, you know, just in the middle of the city. I don't know what this is. Maybe someone that lives here can tell us.
But look.
What is this called?
Rathaus. Rathaus.
Rathaus.
Rathaus.
That's the mayor of Munich is not the mayor of Munich.
Yeah.
It's ruling in the Rathaus.
Okay.
Oh wow.
Interesting. How old is this? How old is it?
It's the common house. It's where the mayor of Munich is ruling, and
City Hall.
City Hall. Right?
Mayor.
Yes. Yes. Oh, okay.
Mayor's about 100 years. Not so.
100 years old. Oh my gosh.
Thank you.
Behind there, there's an old church. You can't see it from
okay.
here. If you walk down there, there's an old church.
I saw that.
It's 500 years old.
St. Peter's.
St. Peter is this tower. You see the top of the tower?
Oh,
you can walk
see.
up there.
Yeah, that's the
if you like.
tower.
Oh wow.
Yeah,
You have
we
a
saw
nice
it.
view from over Munich.
What do you want to do first?
My hands are freezing. Yeah, I want to go shopping.
Thank you, sir.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you, sir. Bye. Have a good day.